Cold brew coffee is all the rage in trendy shops. You can make it yourself if you have 24 hours, or you can go to the supermarket and buy it. That's what I've got here for both of you. Cold brew. Hope you're ready to be caffeinated. So dig in, I've got 4 samples here.
Okay.
3 different styles. From concentrate, where you then reconstitute yourself with more water, ready to drink, and then New Orleans style with chicory.
Oh, okay.
Right. So cold brew, and the reason why it's gotten so popular is because of the way it's made. It's less acidic, less harsh. So traditionally, you guys know, you brew coffee 8 minutes, 195 to 205 degree water to quickly extract all of the compounds. Cold brew uses room temperature water, and it takes time, at least 10 hours, often 24 hours, and you don't get a lot of those harsh notes. And so for people who really like coffee but not the acidity, cold brew is their friend. So as you guys are sampling, we did this 2 ways. We did this black, the way you're going to taste them. I'm going to give you an option later after you've fessed up about your favorites.
Oh, wow. She's a strong one.
I'm going to give you a chance to have some milk later, but
I do put milk in these usually.
I want you to taste them plain because it really will change your perception when you put the milk in.
Right, I bet.
But I want you to be on a level playing field because I know you're in the no milk camp.
Well, I drink hot coffee, and I'm more of a quantity girl than a quality girl. I like hot conference room coffee by the urn. Just wake me up, that's all I ask.
So the New Orleans style, they're made with chicory, which is a way to sort of reduce acidity already, but they also have other flavorings in them. So spices, a little bit of citrus, notes of cinnamon in some of the New Orleans style. And that was really, some tasters liked it and some were like, don't put cinnamon in my coffee.
Right.
So any initial impressions? Who wants to jump in first?
I like A and B. They're very smooth. There's no strong flavors. They're on the watery side, and I love watery coffee. It is my jam. I know there's very few people like, who likes weak coffee? That's me. These two, too strong for me. One of these must have chicory in it because it was a really strong, woodsy flavor that I didn't like.
Okay. And anything that you'd like to comment on?
Yeah, I mean, similar. These, I prefer A over the rest of them. A and B are my favorite. This one is quite tannic. I think there's some sourness going on there. This one seems to have some sort of warm spice thing going on.
So it sounds like A and B, you guys are pretty much in agreement, and
Yeah.
C and D, not so much.
Not so much.
I will tell you that D is the New Orleans style. So you both were picking up the spice notes. It's from a company named Grady's. And again, people who liked those spice notes or citrus notes, great. Other people, not so much. The Grady's was our favorite of the New Orleans style.
Okay.
It's only brought winners. For letter C, Chameleon was our favorite from concentrate. B is Starbucks. A was from La Colombe. And one was our favorite with milk and one was our favorite plain. So maybe, since you're the Miss Milk,
Yeah.
you know, I don't know, you're just gonna keep on sipping because I know you don't really love milk. But we felt like the flavor really changed when we tried all of them with milk, but things that seemed too strong, like C, which you guys thought was awfully intense and tannic, is gonna be much better with milk. And so that was really a big factor in the large tasting where we offered folks both the ability to taste it plain and with milk. So La Colombe was our favorite when it was plain because it was kind of rounded and felt nice. The Starbucks gets better with the milk because it was kind of intense and the milk kind of softens the rough edges.
Brings out the chocolatiness.
Yeah, no, this is ultimately very drinkable. B.
It's potable.
Yeah, very drinkable.
All right, so you both like A, the La Colombe, the taster's favorite choice when it was plain. You both like B. This is the taster's favorite choice with milk from Starbucks. You weren't that wild about C, the Chameleon, which was our favorite concentrate, and you weren't that wild about D, the Grady's, which was our favorite with chicory. You decided milk isn't so bad. You confirmed that you have to drink cold brew coffee with milk. There you have it. Cold brew coffee, something for everyone.
At Cooks Illustrated, we're food nerds. That's why every recipe we develop involves research, cooking science, and rigorous testing by our team of expert test cooks before being tested by our dedicated community of 40,000 home cooks. Only the highest rated recipes earn a place in our award-winning magazine. Every issue features our latest recipes and discoveries, cooking tips, and equipment and ingredient reviews. Our step-by-step photos and hand-drawn illustrations show you exactly how to succeed. What you won't see, even a single page of advertising. We've worked for home cooks like you for over 30 years. So, are you ready to become the best cook you know? Subscribe to Cooks Illustrated magazine at cooksillustrated.com today.
We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our test kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.